how to fix black horizontal lines on iPhone screen. So if you are seeing a black horizontal line on your iPhone screen, this might be the hardware issue. If you have dropped your phone or something like that, it might be the case. But if it's not, then I would first of all recommend you guys to force restart your iPhone. For that, you'll have to click on your volume up button, volume down button, and keep pressing on your power on button until you see Apple logo. Then simply release the button, and within a few minutes, your phone will successfully be restarted. So if it's still not fixing the issue, then you can get to the settings and then scroll down a bit and then tap on general. Scroll all the way down and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on reset. Then tap on reset network settings. Then enter your phone's passcode. Then all you have to do is tap on reset network settings one more time and all of your network settings will be reset. So if it's still not working, then final thing that you can do is try to update your phone. For that, again, get to the main settings. Just like this, we're on the main settings and again scroll down, then tap on general and then tap on software update. Then in here, you'll be able to see a update button if there are any kind of update requirement, just like this. Now you can simply tap on update now or update tonight according to your preference. And just like that, you'll be able to update your software. So even after doing all of this, if it's still not fixing your issue, then like I said, it is simply because of your hardware issue. So I would recommend you guys to visit your nearby Apple store. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.